Hello again, boys and girls. Module 3, Topic B, Lesson 6 homework. And again, we're going to be doing multiples of 10. We had been doing multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000. But for this lesson, we just are focusing on two-digit multiples of 10 and multiplying them by two-digit multiples of 10 and using the area model. And again, as you can see, we started this module with area and perimeter, and there was a reason for that, so that you would understand that area was length times width. And we're going to be using that to solve more difficult multiplication problems. Okay, so let's get started. So 30 times 60. Think 3 tens times 6 times 10. So because 6 times 10, it's just breaking it apart. So 3 tens times 6 is 18 tens, and then we're multiplying it by 10. So 30 times 6 times 10, 18 tens times 10 is 1,800. So if we think of this as 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 tens times 10 is 1800s, or 1,800. Okay, it's a little bit tricky to think of, but if you think of it this way, 3 times 6 is 18, correct? And 10 times 10 is 100, so it's 1800s. And think of it that way. Okay, so we're going to make an area model to do 30 times 60. So 60 and 30. So this is the area model because 60 times 30 gives us the inside. And that's basically area, right? 60 times 30. So it's 6 tens times 3 tens. So if you do the basic fact first, 6 times 3 is 18, and 10 times 10 is 100. So it's 1800s. So 3 times 6 is 18, and 10 times 10 is 100, so it's 1800s. Okay? So a 20 by 20. So that's 2 tens times 2 tens. 2 times 2 is 4, and 10 times 10 is 100. So it's 400, because 10 times 10 is 100. So 2 tens times 2 tens is 400s, or 400. And I know I'm going quickly, but we did do this in the problem set. Okay? 40 times 60. So 6 tens times 4 tens. 6 times 4 is 24. 10 times 10 is 100. So 2400s. 2400s or 2400. Okay. So 50 times 20 is 5 tens and 2 tens. 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 times 10 is 100. So 10 hundreds equals 1,000. 30 times 50. 3 tens times 5 tens. 3 times 5 is 15. 10 times 10 is 100. So 1,500 or 1,500. 60 times 20. 6 tens times 2 tens. 6 times 2 is 12. 10 times 10 is 100. So 12 hundreds or 1,200. 40 times 70. 4 tens times 7 tens. 4 times 7 is 28. 10 times 10 is 100. So 28 hundreds or 2,800. Okay, 60 times 60. There's 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. So 60 times 60. 6 tens times 6 tens. 6 times 6 is 36. 10 times 10 is 100. So 36 hundreds or 3,600. So there are 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. And I believe we have one more. To print a comic book, 50 pieces of paper are needed. And how many pieces of paper are needed to print? 40. So it's 50 times 40. So 5 tens times 4 tens. 5 times 4 is 20. 10 times 10 is 100. So 20 hundreds or 2,000. So they need 2,000 pieces of paper to print 40 comic books. I know I went quickly. You probably didn't get all the way to question 10 during the problem set, but it's always good to listen and try to learn. And you only have to answer the questions that were circled for you, because we don't want the homework to take too long, and we take 15 to 20 minutes to do the problem set. So that means your homework should only take 15 to 20 minutes. Using this video is not cheating. Some people watch the video first and then do their homework. Some people do their homework and then watch the video to check their homework. And some people watch the video while they're doing their homework and they pause the video. So whichever strategy you choose is right for you. These videos are to help you, and homework is practice, and practice makes better. So there's really no way to cheat on homework because you're practicing, whether you're copying from this video or correcting your homework with the video. Whatever strategy you use, you will be getting better. And that's the real objective. That's the real thing we want, is that you just get better. Okay? So we'll see you tomorrow. Have a lovely evening.